So good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss our reservoir topic. Okay. So under the reservoir of our unit 4, we are going to discuss about today the general principles of designs. Okay. So how we are going to take design principles for our reservoir constructions. So see the general principles of design of a reservoir. The course outcome of this topic is like the classify the water resources system components per process to meet desired. So this is up to the understand level. So the program outcome with the correlation of course outcome is PO1, PO7 and then program specific outcome 1. So first of all we should know what is meant by reservoir. So it is an area developed by water body due to construction of dam. So like a check dam or dam, whatever it may be. Okay. So see the two pictures very clearly shown about the place or play a vital role for the reservoir of water. Okay. So see the storage reservoir serve the following purposes. So irrigation, water supply, hydroelectric power generation, flood control, navigation, recreation, development of fish and wildlife, soil conservation. Then classification of reservoir. Storage reservoirs. Storage reservoirs are also called conservation reservoir because they are used to conserve water. Storage reservoirs are constructed to store the water in the rainy season and to release it later when the river flow is low. Flood control reservoirs. A flood control reservoir is constructed for the purpose of flood control. It protects the area lying on its downstream side from the damages due to flood. So we know very well about the slope area. Okay, so the low slope area, the water can accumulate very easy and fastest way also. So from there we control through the flood control reservoir. Whereas compared to the storage reservoir, so it is a full and full water storage purpose. That means it will be increase the water table level. So the retarding reservoir, yeah, retarding reservoir is provided with spillways and sluice ways which are ungated. The retarding reservoirs stores a portion of the flood when the flood is rising and release it later when the flood is receding. So the detention reservoir stores excess water during flood and release it after the flood. It is similar to storage reservoir, but it's provided with a large gated spillways and sluice ways to permit flexible of operation. Distribution reservoir. A distribution reservoir is a small storage reservoir to tide over the peak demand of water for municipal water supply or irrigation purposes. So the distribution reservoir is helpful in permitting the pumps to work at a uniform rate. It stores water during the period of low demand and supplies the same during the period of high demands. Then multi-purposes reservoir. They are constructed for more than single purposes. Then more than one purposes we are going to use the reservoir, that is called, simply we can mention like a multi-purpose reservoirs. Balancing reservoir. A balancing reservoir is a small reservoir constructed distribution of the main reservoir for holding water released from the particular areas. So before going to start the reservoir, what are the steps we have to make on investigations? Okay, so first of all we should take this survey, okay, like through the engineering survey. So we know very well about what is meant by survey. Okay, that means the heart of determining the relative earth features and the environment. So see through the engineering survey, and the second one we have to make, okay, the bedrock surfaces in this area. So through the geological investigation only it is applicable to us, so we have to do the geological investigation. Then third one, hydrogeological investigation. So first of all you should know what is meant by hydrogeological. So water plus the rock content, okay, how it will be interacted from particular area, that is called hydrological investigations. So through the engineering survey constructed for dam, reservoir, and other associated work. Topographic survey of the area is carried out and the contour plan is prepared. The horizontal control is usually provided by triangulation survey and the vertical control by the precise leveling. Geological investigation. Geological investigations of the dam and reservoir site are done for the following purposes. See the suitability of foundation for the dam, water tightness of the reservoir basin, location of the quarry sites for the construction materials. Hydrological investigation. The hydrological investigations are conducted for the following purposes: to study the runoff pattern and storage capacity, to determine the maximum discharge at the site. So these are the reference material. Thank you.